Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll start few Ubuntu commands. Okay, today I'll start how to run uh, uh, operating system commands, Linux and Unix operating system commands on the terminal. Okay, so now I'll be tell you how to run few commands or what are the commands of your Unix or Linux or Ubuntu operating system that I'll show you on the terminal. So first thing I will tell you operating system. First thing is I am using Ubuntu operating system. Operating system is what? It is an interface which is act as interface between the user and the computer. So if we want to interact with the system, then we have to know some operating system that may be Windows or Ubuntu or Linux, Unix. Okay, so now I'll be show you the practical of some few commands in Ubuntu operating system. Okay, first thing is I will tell you cat. Okay, cat is used to create a file. Suppose here I'll be write the cat greater than. Suppose here I'll be write the suppose book. Okay, book. So book in then now after pressing the enter always whatever the commands will be we want to perform, then after write this command you want to press the enter, then cat greater than book. Suppose here I will write the book name C, suppose C++, okay, C++, Java, VB, so Linux, Unix. Okay, then to save this file you will be press the Control D. Control D means what? Not to save the file. Then if you want to display this file, then you will write type cat space book. Okay, then you can display your content of the book. Then next thing is what? Suppose I want to copy this content of a book into another suppose book one, then what will write is a command cp. You will write the cp. Cp stands for copy. Here write book. Okay, book one. So that then I can find the content of a book in the book one. So here to display this book one content, I will write book one. Okay, then you can find book one will display. Next thing is what? If I want to rename this content book one, suppose book one to suppose book two, then how to rename the content? Then I will write ren. Ren is the Unix DOS command prompt. So instead of ren you will write mv. You will be write mv. MV will be write suppose book one. Okay, book one. Suppose then you will write book two. Okay, book two. So you can find the my file name is renamed and it will be renamed to book one to book two. So if you type the cat book one, then you can find this file does not exist. So it will display the error. The error is what? No such file is directory. Then book two is created. If you want to display, then you can type cat book two. Cat is the used to display the file content. Okay, then same thing is if you have to remove the file, then what are the commands will be write? RM. RM stands for remove. Remove will be write book 2. Okay, book 2. Then you can find book 2 is deleted. Again, if you want to display that book 2, it will display the returns the error. Okay, no such file deleted. Then next is touch. Suppose cat command is used to create a file and which contains the content, which will be accept the content, or but touch command what? Without creating file, we can create the blank file. Blank file means the file the content does not exist. So what will type? Will be type touch. Okay, and then we'll write suppose book 2. Okay, book 2. That means file is created but without content or empty content. So here we type the cat, then book 2. You can display it. Okay, but content is not there. So next command I want to tell you. Okay. Then date. Okay, if you type the date, then you can display the date of the file. If you want to extract individual components of the date, then there is few commands are there. What are the commands I want to tell you? Date. Okay, you will write date plus percentage. Okay, D. Then it will display mmddyy format. Okay, then it is time see that means that now it is January month and 31 date and 22 is the last 2 digit. Okay, so it will display mmddyy. Then another command is what? Now hour command is there. If you will type the age, that means it will display the hour. So it is the 15. That means 3 time is 3. So it will display 15. Now next is what? Now m stands for minute. It will display minute. Okay, minute is 3 minutes. So again you type, it will again 3. Then it will type the s means second. Okay, it will display 20 seconds. Again you run, it will display 30. It will again 31. 32. This time it will display 1 second implemented. Okay. And next I will tell you, if you want to display the proper time, full time, then you will write the T means it will display the time. Okay, that means 3 hours 3 minutes 43 seconds. Okay. And next is what? Now if you want to display whether it is AM or PM, then you can write also percentage small r, then it will display. Okay, this is the PM. Now it is running on PM. Okay. So next is what? Now if you want to display the day of the week, you will write a simple W, then it will display day of the week, means weekday. It is the what? Now today is the Monday, it will display Monday. Okay. So next is the, if you want to display the abbreviation of a week, day, then you type the percentage, that means it will display the Monday. Okay. If you want to display the your month abbreviation, then it will display January. Okay. So same as if you want to display the wide and last 2 digits, it will display. Okay. 22 will display. Achha. Next is what? Next calendar command. Calendar. cal. Cal will display the calendar. If you want to today means current month calendar, it will display. If you want to display the February month, then you will write 2, then 2000 to display the month of the February. Okay, 2022 February months. Okay. If you want to display, suppose here 5, then it will display January, February, March, April, May. It will display the May month calendar. Okay. If you want to only display the whole 2022, then you type the 2022 cal 2022, it will display whole month calendar. If you want to display 2000 year calendar, then you can type cal 2001 calendar. It will display the this is called calendar. Okay. Next thing I will type you who means it will display those are currently logged into the system. That means Unix or Linux is the multi-user environment. So if you will type the who, it will display those are currently logged into the system. Kritika is login. Okay, then next is who am I. Who am I means it is display user's own login ID. User's own login ID is display currently which user is logged to the system, only one user. That means it is display himself itself. Okay, so who am I means it will display one login, its own login. Okay, man. Suppose if you want to display any help page, so you can write the man. Suppose I want to display the help page of cat command, then you will type the man, then it will display all the help pages. Okay, so I am not going through this. So press the Q for quit it. Okay. Then next is I want to tell you, suppose here I will display the file name. So cat book. Okay, book. Suppose here a book is the file name. It is display. So I want to display first 2 lines. So what will write? It will write head -2. Okay, head -2 means it will display first 2 line. That means C++. It will display C++. If you write the tail command, then it will display last 2 line. That means Unix Linux. Okay, tail means Unix Linux. It will be displayed. Okay, then PWD. PWD means stands for path of the working directory. If you write the PWD, then it will display where now I am currently exist. Home, inside of home there is a Kritika desktop. I want to tell you this is the your root directory. So in the directory home is the another directory. Okay, inside the Kritika you will find one desktop. This is called your path of the working directory. Okay, next thing. Next time to the ls. Ls means what? It will display the list of the. This is called list of the files you can display. Okay, then next will be discuss ls minus l. Ls minus with ls command there is list of options are there. Okay, if you type ls minus l, it will be display the files in long listed format. Long listed means what? Which type it is created, what is the file name, and what is the size of the file, and how many links have created. This type. Okay, so I will tell you. This is the directory or a file. This option will be directory. The D stands for directory and blank stands for it is a file. Okay, RWX means read write X permission. It is called user. Okay, it is called other user. It is user. It is called it is called your owner. It is called it is called user. Okay, it is called your group. It is called your other user. Okay, then is a link. It will display the link. Okay, link. Then it will display the username. Okay, group name. It will display the username, and it will display total number of bytes. It will display file location, and it will display okay what is the file name. Okay, so this is called ls minus p. You will write the ls minus p. What now you don't know. Suppose this will be display which one directly it will display. This is D means transfer. This is a directory. Socket is a directory. Okay, this is D means what? Okay, video is directory. Directory is the one type of this type of color it will come. Suppose if you have to again display the directory only directory instead of file, if you want to display all the content and put a slash after each directory, then it will line type the ls minus p. Then see yes, socket has a slash. That means you put a slash. That means it is directory. Video has a slash. It is directory. Multi has a slash. It is directory. Okay. Then next is your ls minus u. ls minus u. That means ls minus u means what? List of order of last access time. It will display last access time. Okay, and then ls minus t means what? It will display the what? Last modification time, and most recent is the it will display top of the file. Okay, ls minus t means last modification time. Okay, then ls minus a means it will display all the hidden files. It is ls minus a means it will display all the hidden. These are called hidden files. Hidden files means it is not visible to us. Okay, but it is stored inside the directory or folder or anywhere. Okay, then next I will tell you here what is wildcard pattern. Wildcard pattern means a group of files display with a specific character pattern, that is called wildcard pattern. Example, suppose I want to display the file whose first letter is P. So what is the command you will type? ls. Okay, you will type P star. That means it will display all the files whose first letter is P. You can find P is the first letter, P is the first letter, P is the first letter, P is the first letter. You want to display only C files. So what will type? ls. Okay, suppose here is star. Star means all type of character, then dot C means it will display only C files are there. Okay, so next is what? I want to display the file. Suppose a single character with it is single character pattern. It is a multiple character pattern. I want to display only single character. Suppose here I write A B. Okay, but and I will write give the star question. Question mark means single character. That means A B is a fixed character, and after that there is only single character which I don't know, but it will display only 3 digits character file. Okay, 3 digits character file. That means A B is fixed, and star character I don't know, but star question mark I don't know, but there should be one character. So after paste the A B, that means it will display what? Now here, okay, A B no such file directory. Suppose here I write, suppose book. Okay, book, B-O-O-K I have left, so here I will give the question mark. That means B-O-O, it is the fixed character, and after that which character it will be has after O, then it will display that character, and remember only single character should be there. So here it will display the book. Okay, so next is what? Now suppose there is several files. Suppose A, B, C, A, B, so there are several files A, B, A, B, C, A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, C, A, B, D, A, B, E. So you can find, okay, you can find the name is both are same. Okay, so I want to display the files. Okay, not ABD, not ABE. I want to display only these 3 files. That means first 2 characters is constant, and second character or third character from A to C. Then what is the command I will write? You see what is the command I will write? I will write, okay, so ls, okay, AB. Then I will write A hyphen C. That means it will be display ABA and ABB, ABC. Okay, but file doesn't exist, so it will be display the error. The next thing I can tell that PS1. PS1 it is used to change the dollar prompt. Suppose PS1 is equal to I have write. Okay, suppose this symbol I want to write. Okay, this symbol I want to write. Then after press the enter, you can find this symbol I have changed. Okay, again you understand, then you can say write PS1 is equal to dollar prompt. Okay, then again it will be revert. Okay, then next is what? Now you can write the home. If you want to display the what is the home variable, you can w home will be write. Okay, you will write and dollar home. It will display the home path, home variable, variable. Okay, value. It will display home variable. If you write log name, it will write here log name. Log name, login name, it will display. Okay. Okay, then if you want to display login name display path, then it will display the path of the variable. Okay. It will display the path. It will display the path. Then next I will tell you alias. Alias means what? It is an alternate name for the command. So, for example, suppose there is a file command cat. Suppose here I will write suppose alias. Okay, alias suppose is equal to suppose here write alias suppose rat is equal to cat. Okay, then next time whenever I will create the file, I don't write the cat, I can also create a file by using rat, because of rat is the alternate name of the cat. I can write here Jew. Okay, so here that file is created by using rat. Don't use the cat. Okay, D. Then to display this rat Jew, you will write Jew. Okay, after. Then next I want to tell you your home command. Okay, home command. Home means what? Last is WC. WC minus C means what? If there is a, I want to count the total number of line, word and character, then use the WC command. So here I want to display the file name cat, suppose book. Okay, so this is the command. So what will write here? I will write suppose WC. Okay, book. Then that means it will display. What it will display the total number of lines is 6. Total number of characters is word are 6. Total number of characters is 20. Then I will count. This is the 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, total 19. But why it is written 25? I want to tell you. Suppose after C, when you press in the enter key, it will take the another one character extra. So C, after C you press the enter, so it is total 2 character. Then C plus 3, then after press the enter 4 character, 4 plus 2, 6. Like this it will be total number of characters what? Not 25 characters there. If you want to if you want to display individually, then you can write WC minus L, then book, then it will display the total number of line. Okay, 6 lines. If you write W words, then 6 words. If you write the character, you will display the character. Okay, C, that means 25 character. Okay, then I want to tell you CH mode. CH mode means change permission mode. Okay, change permission mode of the file. Suppose here I have created ls. I will type ls minus l. Suppose here I have given book. Okay, book means you see what are the permissions available in the book. This is the here called. Okay, this is called user. This is called group. This is called other users. So I want to tell you. Okay, suppose here. After I will tell you what is the command to add the additional 2 book into this file. I want to tell you, suppose cat, okay, double greater than is the additional content of the file. Suppose here write the book, okay. So if I add the two views, Oracle, okay, and another is the SQL server, okay, SQL server. Then Control D, then again I want to display cat book, so you can find two lines, so extra is added, okay. So next thing is I have to tell you, suppose, okay, this command I will be again tested, going to test ls book. So user has two permissions, this is called user. That means I am user Kritika, so read has permission and write has permission, but executable I do not permission. So this is called U. This is referred to U. This is referred to what? G group. This is the other user. So now I want to remove the R permission from user. I have told you this is called user. So what will write here? Okay, so you will write ch mode u, ch mode, okay, u minus. Suppose here write the, this is called refer to the user, this is 3 as user, so I will be remove the write read, okay, I will write the book. So you can find what are the after ls minus r to see the status of the file. You can see this is a R command is not here. So next what will type here? R command means read command is not, but that means you cannot read the content of the book. So you try cat book, have you able to read or not? What will display? This is a permission denied. So after that I will be grant the permission. So what do we have to grant? Now I will be write, okay, ch mode, okay, u plus r, okay, then we will write the book. Then you can find book is permission given, then I will check the status, the book are used. Suppose write permission I want to remove, so what to write? Ch mode u minus w, okay. The write permission has gone, so I again add the another content to the file or another content to write this file. Then you will see cat double greater than means I want to add the additional content. So even if you will suppose I will remove, sorry, I will remove the content of the file, okay. So Control C is the cancel the file, okay. I will be remove this ch mode u minus w, okay. User I remove the write permission from user. So again I will write cat greater than, it will display what? Permission denied. So that you can only what read the content of the file. You see, you can read only content of the file. So here is the 3 dash is the first is the read, okay, then write, then what? Execute. So write position is there, okay, write previously was there, but now it is removed. So if now you can only display the content, cat book, that means you can only display the content, but you cannot write, okay. This is the if you want to remove the group user write permission from the group, then what will write here? You can see here, okay, it will write group G minus W. You can find here, you can display here also group from the group or write permission has removed. So if you want to group, if you want to at a time give the here write permission, here also write permission, then what will write here? Ch mode, okay, u plus w, then okay, then comma, you can write g plus w, okay, then book, okay. Then you can, when you press the ls minus l, you can display both are, you can find the write permission as there. So I think it is a little bit discussion about the Unix commands. If you have any doubt in regarding this command, then write the your then write the comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. Otherwise, if you are new to my channel, then if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye. Thank you.